Alright everybody, morning. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? Let's go back around to that antique tool haul that I got, or that I've been getting, slowly from the guy they keep talking about that's going out of business and stuff. And so we'll play a little game. It's called What Is It? Okay, so while I was there, one of the tools that I picked up, I'll make these real short videos because I'm just going to take these antique tools, restore them without changing the finishes and stuff like that. I'm gonna leave them like they were in that period of time. I'm not gonna sand them down, refinish, paint, do anything like that. But the first tool I came across, it was in a box. I got it for next to nothing. It's right here, just a piece of wood, and let me get close. It's a level, right? Got a hole here, probably for hanging it up or something, right? So the thing was, I got this home and I thought, well, the finish on it, it was blackened, and I wiped it off just with paper towels and stuff, and I thought, okay, let's take a look. Let's clean this up. I'm going to put a small thin coat of like wax on it, with something that isn't going to bother the finish. Let's see what it looks like. We'll add it to the collection of antique tools. Now, this was in a shop that was both automotive and industrial, so I don't know what all they were doing in that shop. Maybe they were fabricating, I don't know, but he had tools in there that were both woodworking and automotive. So I picked this up. He's not willing to let go of a lot of stuff real quick, but when I see something that's real cheap, a couple of bucks, and it's old like this, to him it's just something that he's thrown in a box for decades and was never using. Let's clean it up. Let's see what happens. Give me a minute, I'll be back with you. I'm going to wipe this off real good. I'm going to use Johnson's paste wax. Okay, I'll put a link below. I get it off Amazon. You can get it out at Home Depot, Lowe's, and probably any of your local hardware stores. But I'm going to clean it up, and then I'll use a cleaner and I'll wipe it down and scrub it with a cleaner, but I'm not going to touch the finish on this. So let's see what it looks like in a minute. I'll be right with you. Okay folks, so I'm back. So what did I use? I used Johnson's paste wax after I cleaned it up, and all I did was use a generic cleaner. I don't know if it was from the dollar store or where it was. And it got some of the grease and grime and all that stuff off, and I cleaned it real well till the old finish was there. Then I turned around, I put a coat of Johnson's paste wax on it, and this is what we came up with. Alright, pretty cool. Doesn't look too bad. It's definitely seen its days when it came to use. You can tell by all of the dings and scratches. Right here it's got a piece of steel that's embedded into the wood. It was inlaid. A couple of screw holes, as you can see. Nothing real fancy, and it's got the two levels, right inside of it. Right? So, we saved it from the scrap yard, or the scrap pile, right? I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool for what it is. It's something, it's part of history, I guess, and you can say these are the tools that they used way back. They didn't have Harbor Freight, Lowe's, they didn't have all this new technology. So they made them themselves. Somebody took this piece of wood, I don't know if it's dark mahogany, I'm not sure what it is because I didn't do anything other than clean it and wax it. But these are really cool. If you run across old stuff, you should think about restoring it and keeping it around. Just like the oil can and some of the other things that we did. Quick tip video, you want to drop a comment below, maybe you know more about this kind of a level than I do. I don't even know how old it is, but I know that it's old. I know that it was made by somebody. There's the hole drilled, and they even made this little recess here and put these levels in there, however they did that. Could be under this plate, this metal plate. Maybe that's how they put those levels in. I'm not going to take it apart to find out, but cool little project, okay? We added to that how-to list. Very simple restoration. I don't tamper with the finish, the original finish. I think it probably detracts from the value of it. This isn't something that is going to bring in a ton of money. It's just an old tool, but still I left it, the finish and everything, the way that it was, which has probably long been rotted off of here. So I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I cleaned it. I put a coat of Johnson's paste wax. I scrubbed the daylights out of it. This is what it probably looked like long ago, or that kind of wood, because like I said, the finish was worn off. Pretty cool all the way around. I keep saying that, but I'm kind of jazzed when something like this actually comes back to life. Okay, I hope you click subscribe. I hope you drop me a comment. let me know. This was the what is video, and it was simple. It's a level. The next one may be a little bit more complicated, so stay tuned. I'll talk to you again soon. You folks have a great day. Bye-bye.